guys, welcome back to another episode of EatSleepYangon, and I'm your host Amanda. Today we're going to explore the city center of Yangon, and I think you guys probably seen like other videos as well, but then this street is a little bit unique, so like let's explore more. And then like the first stop that you can see is that this mosque, so which is truly a mosque, and like it's right in the center, and then like the building and the structure itself is very unique. So like let's start from here, and then like I'll walk down the street and let's see what we can see. So today we're exploring 29th Street. So like here we have like the back street, like painting alley as well. Like let's see like if they're open or not, because like currently because of the COVID situation, like most of the places are closed as well. And then like this street is like they are very famous for shoe shops, because like they have a lot of like shoes and like this one. So like you can see like they sell a lot of shoes, like mostly traditional shoes and slippers and stuff like that. So like there's the whole street is all about the shoe place. Oh, like they're closed. So this is the back alley that I told you about. As you can see, like you know, like kids who live in this kind of street, like there's no space to play at all, because like there's the car parking and then the street and cars are running all the time. So like this is like a very safe space for them. Like I personally like this kind of concept a lot, because like in the back alley they can like it's very clean as well. As you can see, it's very clean, and also like it's very bright and colorful, so the kids wants to play here as well. So like it's a very like a safe space for kids, and like kids really enjoy playing here. But like it's and like even now, right now, it's still COVID is still happening, but then like the back alley you can see is really clean right now. So like I'm really thankful for the neighbors who kept it clean as well. So let's see more. Like I'm gonna show you like something that is really interesting, because like I don't think there are this kind of shop in like other countries as well. Like because this is like the sewing shop. Like they have been here for a long time. Like whenever I need some of my clothes to sew on, or like when I have a ripped jeans or something like that, like I always come here. So like I'm gonna ask them a few questions like for a sake, and then like let's see that. Oh, so like they have been here for 20 years now. So like and then like they are open every day as well. So like Okay. So like when he was young, like he learned it from his mother, and then like it started as his business as well. And then like you know, like foreigners usually like they like Asians are like a little bit like smaller figure than the Western people as well, right? So like whenever you guys come here, like you guys really cannot find the clothes that matches you. So like if that happen, you can come here and then like fix your size as well, like jeans, pants, you name it, like shirts, like you can do everything. Like he can just make it everything for you. Like he can make the size bigger for you, like smaller for you, or like sometimes like you got a loose button, right? Like and then like you can come here and fix everything as well. Like he can fix everything for you. So okay. So it's like 3,000 for one like resizing. It's like $2, so like it's quite cheap. Like getting the size that fits you, I think $2 is quite cheap. Okay, thank you very much. I'm getting a little bit hungry right now, so like I'm going to try this shop, which is my favorite shop, like which is my favorite Indian shop among the street. So like let's try this one, and I'll explain more what we can get inside. they have the menu as well. This shop is called Shui Midazu, which literally means golden family. So you can also choose from what they already have as well. Like I normally like to choose from what they already have so that like you can see the visual and everything. So, there's a lot of dishes here already. Like, can you see? Like, I'm not sure if you can see. There's the fried fish, and I think the best dish here that personally for me is the beef curry, which I really like. And then like they also have like the mutton and like egg and everything. So but today I'm going to order the beef, which is my favorite one. So like let's order. So you can see there's a lot of other dishes. Like I only ordered this one. So like in this kind of restaurant, you only need to order the meat dish, which is the main dish. So I ordered the beef curry, but then like you get the vegetable for free. And then this is traditional one, Napi Dao and Napi Jo. So these are like very traditional, and like a lot of foreigners love this as well. Like this goes really well with the rice. And then this is the bean soup, which I really like as well. And then like you get a lot of vegetables as well. So I'll start eating. So let's go. And then you dip a little bit wow with the rice. Mixed it. Smells so good. Really nice. This can be a little bit spicy for foreigners, but I really like it. Oh, it's even spicy for me. I thought it was the fish paste, fried fish paste, but it was the fried chili. Like they just take out all the chili, like inside of the chili, and then they just fry it. This is the fish sauce fried. It's a little bit weird, but it's fried. They fry the fish sauce together with the chili, garlic, and all the spices, and it smells really good, and also like it tastes really good with rice. So you might think that like getting all this food, like you might think it is like fancy and like a little bit expensive and stuff like that, but then like it's only 3,300 Jets, which is like $2, like around $2. So which is really affordable for a lot of people as well, especially for foreigners. Like even if you go to KFC, like you cannot really get like you cannot make yourself full with $2 like set meal, right? But here you can have rice and also like meat and also vegetables and stuff like that. And then for your information, these are free flow. You can get it for like, you can ask for more if you run out of things. So like it's really like affordable, and like you can get a lot as well. So I just discovered the back alley, which is currently under renovation. So like it's really rare to get this kind of chance to see something that is in action, because like we can only see when it is already done, right? And then like you cannot see the progress and everything. So like I've heard that there are like some artists painting as well. Like I'm not sure, but then like let's go and see them. I'm gonna meet with one of the artists now, and then like, oh, Okay. So this is the third day, and I heard that it's the opening for this street is on 31st of this month. So like it's 2 weeks, 3 weeks from now on. And အခုပကြီးဆွဲအောင်ကြာပုံမှန်
ဟုတ်လားကိုတို့ကကြာဒီဟွာပေါ့နော်ပုံမှန်အပြင်တော့ကိုတို့ကလေးတွေရှိတယ်ကိုတို့ကလေးတွေနံပါတ်တော့ရကလေးဒီမှာကိုကလည်းအခုဒီလာဆက်ပြီးတာကျတော့ကိုတို့အကြည့်ပြီးစီရောဘဖို့မပဲကိုတို့ကကြာမြို့နယ်ပကြီးစ
So like they have the organization for the artists, and then like they come here for this street, and then like they're doing this for free for now for the public as well. အခုအဲ့တော့ဒီဟာဆိုရောဟိုဘာဖြစ်လို့ဒီဟာကိုမြစ်တာနဲ့ကူညီမယ်လို့သုံးဖြတ်ပြပါ
ကိုတို့ကဒီတစ်ခုတည်းမဟုတ်ဘူးအရှိမအများကြီး
Oh, don't yeah, I see. So like he have been the artist for all the 29th Street, like the previous one, and then like 27th Street as well. Like he has been in this project from the start. Like it's really amazing. So today was such a fruitful day. We enjoyed the streets and also tried Indian food, and like you can see the kids playing here, and like we can see the renovation and everything. So it was such a content. So like I hope you guys enjoyed today as well. And like a big shout out to Apindasin. Like thanks to you. Like we can make this kind of video happen. And like if you want to be a member, you can check the link below as well. And like if you like this kind of content, like you can see the content right here and here. Okay, so I'm Amanda, and let's see next time in EatSleepYangon. Bye.